Hey guys, it's Renee. Welcome to this DIY phone case for Mother's Day. In this case, I'm going to be sharing with you two options out of the same concept. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is working with some acetate sheets or these clear sheets. I'm going to be working with the back of my phone. If you use this kind of phones, they have like this two lines in there. I'm going to be working in that space, if that makes any sense. And I'm just going to mark how much I'm going to be using. If that makes any sense, I'm going to be using a ruler, a pen, and then I'm just going to cut that. I'm going to be putting this on top of my phone. I'm going to be then taking a Sharpie, a black one, and I'm going to write two M's, one on this left side and one on the right side. First, I'm going with the M's because I want this word to be centered on the phone case. Then I'm going to just be making this two M's chunkier by doing this. And it doesn't matter if they are not even at all at this point because we're going to be covering them anyways. Then I'm going to be drawing a heart in the middle. And to be honest, I'm not really good at drawing hearts, but you can go back and forth. It doesn't matter because we're going to be covering this anyways. Then I'm just going to be painting the whole thing. Here I'm just showing you that you can paint it with Sharpies if you want to go for this. But I just wanted to go for acrylic paints. I like how it looks when I paint with acrylic paints. I think the colors look much brighter and better and darker. And then the heart, I'm just going to be pretty much doing the same thing, covering the black parts. If you make a mistake with the acrylic paint, just wait for it to dry and then with a toothpick, just remove that, like scratching that, and it should come right off. Then once it's dried, I'm going to be taking double-sided tape and I'm just going to tape it on the back of my phone, press that on the back of my phone so it doesn't move. Then I'm going to be putting my phone case back in. And this is the idea number one that I wanted to share with you. But I wanted to do something else with it because I felt like something was missing. So I went with my white acrylic paint and my brush. I'm going to be using the back of my brush and I'm going to be adding a bunch of dots in there. Then I'm going to be taking a smaller brush and I'm going to add 4 dots on top of that just to simulate a bunch of paws all over the heart. Then I'm going to be waiting for this to dry. This is pretty much the idea number 2 that I wanted to share. So I really hope you like these ideas. One is more suitable for kids moms and the other one is more for human kids, or you can go for both ideas if you're a mom yourself. This is also a good idea as a gift for Mother's Day coming up. So yeah, I really hope you like it and you find it helpful. It was one of the easiest and cutest, I think, DIYs that I've done on my channel. So if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more steps. I upload weekly. Click on the little bell. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you later and take care. Bye guys.